Our 2023 AirVenture Trek has come to an end. After officially landing in 25 states, today we are headed back home to Florida.
French Lick traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike is taxiing to departure in runway 26, French Lick. French Lick traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike is departing runway 26 and will be leaving the area to the south, French Lick. Love you very much. Bye. French Lick traffic, Aztec 2441 Mike, 2,000 feet climbing. We're going to be departing the area to the south and we'll be looking for traffic, French Lick. Indianapolis Center, Aztec 2441 Mike with request.
2441 Mike, Indy Center, Roger. Indianapolis altimeter 29995, a position.
2441 Mike, currently 7 miles to the south-southeast of French Lick, Foxtrot Romeo Hotel, 3,500. And climbing to 5,500 for clouds. We'd like to activate our IFR flight plan, which should be on file. Type is a PA-27 Aztec, and destination is Bravo Hotel Charlie.
November 2441 Mike, and I'm going to give you a Louisville approach frequency to pick up that flight plan. Louisville approach on 132.07, 3207.
Louisville 132.07, 41 Mike. Louisville approach, Aztec 2441 Mike with request.
Aztec calling over approach, say again.
Aztec 2441 Mike, we are PA-27 Aztec. I'm looking to pick up my IFR flight plan from French Lick, Foxtrot Romeo Hotel to Baxley, which is Bravo Hotel Charlie, 41 Mike.
Aztec 41 Mike, thank you. You are cleared to the Bravo Hotel Charlie Airport as filed. Climb maintain 10,000, expect 11,000 in 10 minutes.
Cleared as filed, expect 11,000 in 10 minutes, 41 Mike. Welcome to Kentucky.
Woohoo! You've already been here before, right?
Yeah.
Whoa, it's a blanket.
Cool!
These are actual clouds for once, not just smoke. Yeah.
Yeah, you're right.
See the rainbow, Shelby?
Oh, cool!
Alright, so recap. Indiana. We flew in yesterday right as a little bit of rain arrived into French Lick, and once we called the French Lick Resort, they had a shuttle to the airport within about 10 minutes. The resort is way bigger than expected.
It was a massive building. We got lost a few times.
Yeah.
Thank goodness for the signs.
Yeah, it's signs, resort map, and then they have a sister resort called West Baden, which is the one that's the large historic dome. It had some hail damage from a storm last month, but they're repairing it, and we were still able to go inside and check out the inside. We'll include a video of that.
Yeah, but you can see the tarps that they have up there to get all sealed in.
As they work on it so debris doesn't fall down. But, you know, there's an old 1903, I think, trolley that connects the two resorts so that you can travel between both.
I like that.
Yeah, the trolley was
I
fun.
like trains.
And there's a bunch of restaurants, and it's not just one. I think it's like between 6 and 8.
Yeah, there's plenty of dining options between like fancy or like go to grab a sandwich.
Yeah, we're over it at this point. We're not doing fancy, so we had...
Well, we ate at a regular
we did.
restaurant. We had
yeah, what was it called?
power plant.
Power plant, where they used to have all the switch boxes for the resort. But, you know, it was burgers. I got a Reuben. She got a club on a croissant. You know, nice little sandwich place for lunch. Not too expensive. And
we did not bring any resort wear to bring to the steakhouse or other
we weren't ready to dress fancy. That's not the goal here. And dinner, you know, it was even lower key. We took them to it has an arcade and a bowling alley. We just ordered a pizza, got some drinks, and did some bowling for an hour or so. and then went back to the room, planned the flight, and we got on our way early this morning.
Well, the kids swam for like 2.5 hours, so they have,
forgot about that.
They have beautiful pools. They had
Very
outdoor
nice.
pools.
Indoor pools.
The indoor pool was the prettiest one.
Yep.
It had a big
Had
arch
a big dome.
and the kids had a good time.
Yep. Resort was very nice.
Supposedly it was another haunted one. AJ was looking it out.
Yeah, you know, we like the historic ones, and we've gone to several haunted hotels. I think we're up to 6 or 7 now. And I got all hopeful again as soon as I found out that the place had a haunted history where the original, not the original, but one of the original owners who did most of the improvements to the property is supposed to be generally seen or smelled by the service elevator, cigar smoke, or shadowy figure. Yeah, still nothing. There's also a bellhop, I think, that's supposed to haunt the place. Yeah,
That's what the
it
story
doesn't
says.
where we go. We've never seen any.
Or we're just so tired that we're just
Yeah.
too tired to be haunted. And
The ghosts know it's a waste of their time.
Number 41 Mike, Conduit Atlanta Center 134.2.
134.2, 41 Mike. Atlanta Center, Aztec 2441 Mike at 11,000.
Number 2441 Mike, Atlanta Center, Athens, altimeter 3016, altimeter is more than an hour old.
3016, 1 hour old, 41 Mike.
so today we're headed home.
Yeah, after, what is this? 11
don't know.
states in, no, 12 states in 10 days. Let's see, let's count them up. Mississippi, Arkansas, Kansas, Nebraska, South and North Dakota,
Oh.
Minnesota, Iowa,
Wisconsin.
Michigan, Indiana,
We're going to land in Georgia, you guys.
Georgia, and then Florida, back to Florida. So after 13 states, 8 of them new, the AirVenture Cup Air Race, Oshkosh, we're ready to be home, and we are heading that way now. We've just passed through Indiana to Kentucky to Tennessee to North Carolina, and currently we are in North Georgia, en route to our first stop for fuel, which is Baxley and South Georgia.
441 Mike, I have a flight amendment to your route when you're ready for the Bulldog Moa.
Flight amendment to route, ready to copy.
Number 2441 Mike, you're clear direct Haddock now. It's Hotel Alpha Delta Oscar Charlie, then direct Bravo Hotel Charlie.
Direct Haddock, and then final destination at Baxley, 41 Mike. We just flew over Athens. I didn't even realize it. Oh yeah, there's the airport. Look out your window. Ooh, go Dogs! Woo! Jacksonville Center, Aztec 2441 Mike. We'd like to cancel our IFR if possible.
2441 Mike, IFR cancellation received. Squawk VFR frequency change is approved.
Squawk VFR, frequency change approved, 41 Mike. Baxley Municipal Aztec 2441 Mike is 10 miles to the north at 1500. We are inbound for full stop runway 8. We'll enter on an extended left base, Baxley.
Goodbye, Baxley.
Hi, Baxley.
Baxley Municipal Traffic Aztec 2441 Mike is departing runway 8, Baxley. Baxley Municipal Aztec 2441 Mike, just off runway 8. We made left traffic and we'll be crossing midfield, leaving the area to the south. Final transmission, Baxley.
The last leg is always the longest leg.
Oh, it's an eternity. And when you have storms,
Yeah.
you know, we've got some of our worst weather we've had on the last leg to get home. Well, we can land anytime. We can always land and go somewhere else. We got nothing but clear space all the way down to Tampa. If we can classic Florida fish hook our way back into home, this is going to be rotating coming west and north. And if we stay west on the west coast and then hook around and go north right behind it, we should be able to get in. And
Fingers crossed.
Welcome to Florida.
Wait, we're in Florida now?
We're in Florida. Now we just gotta work to get back home. All right, you're muted, love you.
Actually, before you move them, Jack, will you give me my nuts?
For what?
Oh,
they're the nasty, salty dill nuts.
I love them.
Pickle nuts.
know.
Yeah, Mom tries to kill.
Disgusting.
She's gonna, when we start going over the bumps and turbulence to try to land, and she gets air sick and has to puke out cashew dill pickle flavor, it is not gonna be fun.
The best. Find you a snack that no one else wants, and then it's all for you. Nobody else likes them, but I love them.
In the last 11 days, we have spent 2 full days in the airplane. I believe it. I think we're going to land with 46 hours of flight time.
Parachute jumping back to 5,500.
Parachute? Really? Who's parachute jumping right now?
Who in the world is jumping?
Somebody is crazier than us.
Oh my gosh.
It's raining to the left of me, raining to the right. Here I am.
Stuck in the middle with you.
Stewart Tower, Aztec 2441 Mike, 10 miles to the west, inbound for full stop and taxi to Atlantic.
November 41 Mike, proceed inbound runway 12, report a 4-mile final.
Proceed inbound, 4-mile final, for runway 12, for 1 Mike.
November 41 Mike, following traffic on a mile final, runway 12, clear to land.
Runway 12, cleared to land, following traffic on final, for 1 Mike.
We did it. We're back home. We did it. A lot of states in a few days.
Oh, so glad.
So much adventuring.
Stewart Ground, Aztec 2441 Mike, clear 12 and to Atlantic.
Aztec 2441 Mike, Stewart Ground, proceed to Atlantic via Alpha.
Atlantic via Alpha, 41 Mike. Does anyone feel like they had a good vacation?
I had a good vacation. Oh, I had a good adventure.
I wouldn't call it a vacation either. We worked our butt off to pull that off.
We hope you have enjoyed our AirVenture 2023 trek, and we hope that you'll join us for 2024.